Wala good.
Insurance.
Kuan ba man, di ba? CBC, urinalysis, X-ray.
X-ray.
Pero nareklamo biya sila kasi
Kulog na siya. Kayo na siya ka.
Southwestern University Finma School Representatives Dr. Jose Louis Remotigue, Dean, College of Medical Technology, and Mr. Clinton Sam Duarte, Assistant Dean, College of Medical Technology.
In the flesh.
Chairperson, Professional Regulatory Board of Medical Technology, Honorable Dr. Marilyn A. Cabal Barza.
of Sikihor, hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, so help me God.
As I enter the practice of medical technology, I shall accept the responsibilities inherent to being a professional. These principles I hereby subscribe and pledge to conduct myself at all times in a manner befitting the dignity of my profession.
Your college days were not easy. Many of you remember the long hours of STEM, studying subjects such as hematology, clinical chemistry, molecular biology, blood banking, right? Histopathology. And there were nights when you had to stay awake, reviewing for quizzes and major examinations, memorizing complex processes, identifying microorganisms, and understanding laboratory principles. And some of you probably doubted yourselves when exams were difficult, right?
Good afternoon.
Once again, good afternoon, RMTs!
Good afternoon.
Please repeat after me. In the name of the Father, and of the Son,
O God, who by calling us to the vocation of a medical technologist, by thy divine love, permit us in this way to share with those who directly care for the sick, that thus we may be constantly working through the eternal physician, Christ our Lord.
Ibibigay ko
magulang ko
sa magulang ko
magulang